Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Garmin Hardwire Kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for your Garmin Dashcam or GPS device, offering a clean, professional installation that ensures constant power and reliable recording, eliminating the hassle of constantly plugging and unplugging your device, and providing peace of mind knowing your device is always ready to capture important moments or provide accurate navigation. And this video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and installing the right kit for your needs. Number 5. Garmin Parking Mode Cable. This cable keeps your dash cam recording even when your car is off. It ensures continuous monitoring, providing valuable evidence in case of incidents. It's designed to provide constant power to your dash cam. This means it can monitor for motion even while your vehicle is parked. With it, your dash cam will automatically start recording if motion is detected in front of your vehicle. This gives you peace of mind while parked. It's compatible with a wide range of Garmin dash cams. Check the list to see if it works with yours. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. It's a simple solution for added security and peace of mind. Its small size means it won't clutter your vehicle's interior. It's designed to blend seamlessly with your dash cam setup. This cable is compatible with many Garmin dash cams, including the 45, 46, 47, 55, 56, 57, 65W, 66W, 67W, Mini, Mini 2, and Tandem models. Check your model for compatibility. What we like. It seamlessly integrates with your Garmin dash cam, enabling parking mode for continuous surveillance. If you need to monitor your vehicle even when parked, this is the perfect solution. This ensures that you always have a record of any incidents, providing peace of mind and security. What people say. This is the only hardwire kit that a Garmin dash cam can use to maintain the parking feature. Installation is straightforward and didn't take long. If you're comfortable with performing basic wiring on your vehicle, then installation should be easy. The USB plug routes the cord upward, allowing you to tuck it between the windshield and the headliner. It was easy to carefully remove the trim on the driver's side A-pillar and route the cord under the dash. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam Power Cable. This cable ensures your Garmin Dashcam stays powered, even when your vehicle is parked and turned off. It's designed for a secure and reliable connection. It easily plugs into your vehicle's OBD2 port, providing a constant power source. No more worrying about battery drain. This means it can continue recording while parked, providing crucial evidence in case of an incident. Peace of mind, on the go. Its small and lightweight design makes it easy to install and use. It's unobtrusive and blends seamlessly into your vehicle. With this cable, you can trust that your dash cam will always have the power it needs. Enjoy worry-free driving and reliable recording. It's manufactured in Taiwan, ensuring high-quality materials and construction. You can trust in its durability and performance. Simply plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port and your dash cam. It's that simple. What we like. This offers a simple and convenient way to keep your dash cam powered up while parked. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation using your vehicle's OBD2 port, this is it. It provides a clean and discreet power solution without complicated wiring. What people say. This install is super easy, just plug it into your OBD2 port to the lower left of your steering wheel. There's options for lengths of time to keep the camera on for if you're concerned about battery drain over a long period of time. And there's even an extra USB port to power another accessory if needed. Plugs right into the OBD port and its low profile does not get in the way. It can be set to operate a couple of hours to a day or constant on, but still protects against over-discharge of your battery. Number 3. AZDOME Hardwire Kit for Dashcam. This kit lets you hardwire your dashcam directly into your vehicle's fuse box, eliminating the need for the cigarette lighter socket. It's a clean and discreet installation for a professional look. It automatically starts recording when you start your car. Plus, with the parking monitor function enabled, it will automatically switch to time-lapse or continuous recording while parked. Built-in low-voltage protection safeguards your car battery. It automatically cuts power when the voltage gets too low, ensuring you always have enough power to start your engine. Everything you need is included for a simple installation. Just connect it to your vehicle's fuse box using the appropriate add-a-fuse. Please check your vehicle's fuse box to find the correct add-a-fuse type. It's not compatible with all Ford models. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. This kit converts 12V, 24V to 5V 2.5A, providing the perfect power source for your dashcam. It's designed for reliable and consistent performance. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a secure and reliable power solution for your dashcam. If you want a parking monitor feature and low-voltage protection for your car battery, this is the one. It ensures your dashcam is always ready to record, while safeguarding your vehicle's battery. What people say. First off, I liked how this device has the ability to connect to different fusebox configurations. Second, I like the piggybacking terminal solution, which allows me to use an existing fusebox slot without removing the functionality of that slot, or putting that through the same fuse as this device uses. That's where I think this particular solution really shines. It has a user-selectable threshold voltage, and if the battery voltage falls below the level you select, it will cease drawing power. Number 2. NUNET 15 feet Hardwire Kit. This kit is compatible with almost every dashcam on the market. It includes adapters for various connections, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. With a total length of 15 feet, it's easy to install it in any vehicle. The long cord provides ample reach for convenient placement. It protects your car battery by preventing voltage drops below 11.9 V. This enhanced protection is suitable for both 12V and 24V systems. Installation is simple and straightforward, no professional help needed. But our customer service is always available if you have any questions. It comes with various fuse types and adapters. Plus, you're covered with a 1-year warranty for any issues. What we like. This versatile kit is compatible with almost any dashcam on the market thanks to its multiple adapters. If you need a long cable for easy installation in any vehicle, this is your best bet. It also includes a battery protection system to prevent draining your car battery. What people say. It's easy to install as cable length is good enough to run under panels, and with proper installation no more wires mess in the car. It's come with different fuse inserts that perfectly fits in fuse box. This made adding power for a dash cam pretty simple. It's simple to figure out which of the 3 fuse types you have, and then you don't need the rest of the dongles. The quick connect for the power wire makes life simple. Great wiring kit that will fit nearly any vehicle. Makes it very easy to hardwire your USB power devices, such as dash cams, so you don't have to use up a USB port or cigarette lighter connection. The quality of this product is excellent and it has plenty of cable length. I especially liked that it was designed to plug into a variety of fuse box types, and there is no need for splicing or soldering wires, and it simply connects easily to an open or existing fuse port. Number 1. Cam Hardwire Kit. It's now easier and more reliable to power your dashcam. This kit uses a USB-C connection for improved stability, preventing restarts and overheating. We've improved our kit. You get a micro USB hardwire kit, an installation tool, and 4 fuse tap cables to fit most cars. Keep your vehicle protected around the clock. It connects directly to your car's battery for continuous power, even when the engine is off. A safety feature automatically cuts power if the battery voltage gets too low. It's built with safety in mind. The built-in power supply module safely converts 12V or 24V to 5V, protecting your device from overcurrent and overheating. It works with most car models and many micro USB devices. The simple installation keeps your car looking tidy and frees up your cigarette lighter. What we like. This upgraded kit offers a stable power supply for your dashcam, even with a USB-C connection. If you value a simple installation process and reliable 24-hour surveillance, this is ideal. It provides continuous recording without worrying about power interruptions. What people say. The included crowbar and fuse tap cables made it feel like I was playing a spy in a high-tech movie, except I was just neatly tucking wires into my car. No more messy cables, and my cigarette lighter is finally free for other gadgets. Hooked up to my car's battery, it keeps my dash cam, a Rover 3, in my case, powered even when the car is off. The built-in safeguards against current overload and overheating give me peace of mind. Plus, the automatic cutoff at low battery voltages ensures I'm never stranded with a dead car battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.